I've had short hair before, but I had been saying that I wanted to cut my hair for the past like 2 to 3 years. And every year I don't make an appointment, I don't do it, but at the beginning of this year, I found someone, I made an appointment, and that's how I stuck to it. So it is February 28th. I made this appointment in January. All right, so I'm gonna take you all along with me. I'm gonna try and film the whole process of me arriving to the salon, getting my hair cut, and then you'll be able to see what we do. All right, bestie, so I will talk to you later. Okay, I made it. I just arrived. It is Opulence Beauty Bar. The sun is sunning today. It makes me look like I have like a whole tan.
All right, so what do we have in mind?
Okay, so I definitely want a Pixie relaxer, and I have some styles that I kind of like, but I'm gonna let you do your thing, right?
I'll put my own little spin.
Right, exactly. But just for like shape of kind of what I like, so kind of like that. I think I definitely want things just to have a bigger forehead.
So we're gonna get the coverage in there, keep it a little bit fuller up in
Exactly.
here, and nice and low at the sides.
Exactly,
Right?
you got it.
All right.
But I'm gonna let you do your thing.
Okay, no problem. So I always cut first because it makes no sense relaxing here. That we're gonna cut over.
Perfect. Yep.
I was asked by so many people why I'm cutting my hair. The truth is I've been natural for over 13 years, and in that time my hair has been a journey of growth, identity, and self-discovery. Our hair is history, strength, and culture. It's something we nurture, shape, and carry with pride. But today I let it go. Not because I stopped loving it, but because I'm ready for something new. Every snip is a release of expectations, hesitation, and the weight of what I thought I had to hold on to. There's something so powerful about taking your crown into your own hands, deciding for yourself what beauty looks like, what freedom feels like. Short doesn't mean less, it means stepping fully into myself on my own terms. As I watch each piece fall away, I feel lighter, freer, because sometimes change isn't just about what's on the outside, it's about shifting how you see yourself, how you walk into a room, and how you claim your own space. Relaxing, molding, shaping, it's all a part of the process. Just like we evolve in life, our hair tells a story, and today my story is shifting. Some people hold on to length as security, but me, I'm choosing to let go, to trust the beauty and simplicity, the elegance and confidence. For so long, we've been taught that femininity and beauty are tied to length, but my beauty, my confidence, my power, they were never in my hair. They've always been in me. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. You don't need permission to evolve, to embrace, to change, to redefine yourself how you see fit. This isn't just a haircut, it's a statement. It's a reminder that we can always start fresh, and today I'm doing just that. I hope you enjoyed watching me release, because this was more than just a haircut. This was a reset, a fresh start, and a reminder that we can always choose to evolve.
It looks so good. I am freaking in love with this haircut. I love it so much. Janine, who was my stylist, she did an amazing job. She talked me through like what I need to do to care for it. And she's having a molding class in April, which I'm definitely going to sign up for and go to so that I can truly understand how to properly mold my hair. She recommended a good molding product. I saw after the mold. Oh shoots, I forgot to purchase it from her, but I'll get it online. She told me the brand name. I did it. I look like a new person. All right, I am home. So you can have a better, this is what the back looks like. I love it so much. All right, I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day, so everyone else is hungry too. So I'm gonna make some sloppy joe for everyone. That was everyone's request, what they want. And then I'm gonna start editing the video that will go live on Sunday. All right. Okay, let me also show you what I wore to get my hair done. So this is an old sweatshirt, Zara sweatshirt. These sweatpants are Aritzia. I had on my Bottega sneakers, but I already took them off, so I just have on slippers now. But that's it. Oh, and look, my eyebrows that I got done, henna, still looking good. Besties, happy Saturday. So I just made this matcha strawberry latte. I'm not kidding. This is so good. I mean, this is the best matcha that I've ever had. I made the strawberry puree from scratch last night, and then I just stored it in the fridge. But to make the strawberry puree, it's just fresh strawberries, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of lemon. Oh my gosh, and then I used a little bit of Trader Joe's vanilla bean paste. So good. So, you know, I'm a matcha girl now, but I am getting better at making these matchas. So I just finished up some time on my devotional and reading the Bible. I'm really trying to get more consistent with this. Today is March 1st, and my goal for this month is to really focus on discipline in all areas of my life, but especially with the word. I feel like I was so disciplined before, and I just fell off, and I don't like that feeling, so I really want to get back into it. So if I'm not journaling, I want to also make sure that, you know, I am spending some time with God in the morning or any time of the day. So for today, we have a couple of things planned. My husband and I started watching this show on Apple TV last night called Surface. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So this morning, we're going to have an early morning date day. We're going to go ahead and we're going to finish watching. I think we're now getting into season 2. So we're going to watch that. Later on today, Ayana and I have my cousin's 40th surprise birthday party to go to, so I'm so excited about that. Her name is Ariel. She's our first cousin, so really excited. I'm dying to see if she's really going to be surprised by this. And then for the rest of the day, just like doing some things around the house, nothing else big. So I'll definitely take you all along with me to the birthday party. All right, so I will talk to you all later, so I'll pick you back up when we're in the car on the way to the party. All right, so we are in the car. We are on the way to my cousin's surprise birthday party. Ayana's with me. Tyler and Steve already had plans, so they're not able to make this. And plus, it was last minute too. But anyway, so of course we are hitting traffic on the way to Bowie. and we were making such good time. We were going to be there earlier than we needed to be, which I brought. Yeah, traffic, what can you do? But I am going to film a little bit of the clips there of the birthday party, and then we'll wrap it up. And if you guys are liking this type of like vlog, like maybe a mix of a vlog, and then I can do like a fashion video for the next 2 videos on styling and things like that, let me know in the comments what your preference is. But all right, well, I will talk to you. I need to concentrate and try and get through some of these cars. I will talk to you all once we get to my cousin's house.
I've been stuck in begging Jesus, can you save them? And they never start to hate them. We never fake it. What's the point of shots you take it when you're... Give me a high five. That was good, though. That was good. That was good. Yes, you're right here. I think I'm in arcade. You guys, what? They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. I just want to... Yeah. And Eliana. Happy birthday to you.
All right, so we made it back. Me and Ayana made it back home. The birthday party was so much fun. Ayana had a blast. Ayana thought this was like a dance contest because she could not stop dancing the entire night, but it was great. So we're home now. I'm gonna go ahead and change, edit the last clips of the video to go live tomorrow, and I will see you all next week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend because we love more besties in the community, and I'll talk to you all next week. Bye.